Upgrading to a new iPhone? Before enjoying the new features, make sure to transfer your photos and data from your old device. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to transfer photos between iPhones, both wired and wireless. Pick the method that works best for you. Method 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone via phone transfer. The easiest and fastest way to transfer photos between iPhones is phone transfer. It's the most effective, even for large photo transfers. How can I transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone by using phone transfer? Step 1. As the best photo transfer for iPhone, you only need to launch it on your computer. Link your 2 iPhones to the computer via USB, and they will be detected by the program. Then you can see an interface like below. Step 2. Make sure the old iPhone is the source phone and the new iPhone is destination phone. If not, you can click the drop-down to select the correct source device. Step 3. Choose Photos option and click Export to Device button to start the transferring process. Method 2. How to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone using iCloud. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud Photos. Enable iCloud Photos and select Storage option. Wait for upload, then find Photos in All Photos on your new iPhone. Method 3. How to transfer pictures from iPhone to iPhone via AirDrop. Step 1. Enable AirDrop on both iPhones. Swipe up to open Control Center. Press and hold the airplane icon. Tap AirDrop and select Contacts Only or Everyone. Step 2. Select photos on your old iPhone. Open Photos, choose Photos, and tap the share icon. Select the AirDrop icon. Step 3. Accept the transfer on your new iPhone. A prompt will appear. Tap Accept to save photos to the Photos app. Method 4. How to transfer photos from old iPhone to new iPhone via iTunes. Step 1. Transfer photos to computer. Windows, connect iPhone. Click Import. Mac, connect iPhone. Click Import. Step 2. Transfer to new iPhone. Connect new iPhone. Open iTunes. Click Sync, then Apply. Method 5. How do I transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone via email? Open Photos on your old iPhone, select Photos, and tap the share icon. Choose Mail, enter recipient's email, and click Send. On your new iPhone, open Mail, check the email, and download the attachments.